Ever wondered how you can make money from your gaming computer when you're not using it? Think about it. Your gaming computer, a veritable beast of a machine, is more than just a conduit to immersive digital worlds. It's a powerhouse with untapped potential, capable of far more than helping you conquer the latest releases in high-definition glory. Now imagine harnessing that raw computing power for something more, something that could even turn a profit. I'm talking about the exciting world of cryptocurrency mining. Yes, that's right. Your gaming rig, with its robust specifications, is an ideal candidate for this task. With a powerful processor and a high-end graphics card, your gaming computer can solve complex mathematical puzzles, the very backbone of crypto mining. It's a fascinating process and one that can be incredibly rewarding. So, not only can your gaming computer provide you with hours of entertainment, but it can also be a source of income. But what exactly is cryptocurrency mining and how does it work? Well, let's take a step back and start with a broader view. Picture a vast digital ledger that records all transactions of a specific cryptocurrency. This ledger is what we refer to as a blockchain. Every time a transaction is made, it's like a new line written into this ledger, but who's there to check that these transactions are genuine and not fraudulent? That's where miners come into play. They are the diligent scribes, if you will, who verify these transactions. They ensure that John really did send 20 bitcoins to Jane and that he isn't trying to swindle the system. And how do they do this? By solving complex mathematical problems. Now, these problems aren't your Sunday morning Sudoku. They're intricate puzzles that require serious computational power to solve. That's why high-performance machines like your gaming computer are ideal for the task. Once a miner solves the problem, they add a block or a group of transactions to the blockchain. This process of solving problems and adding blocks is what we refer to as mining. It's a bit like digging for gold, but instead of a pickaxe, you're using your computer's processing power. And just like traditional mining, there's a reward at the end of all that hard work. For every block added to the blockchain, miners receive a certain amount of cryptocurrency as a reward. This reward is what incentivizes miners to keep their machines running, verifying transactions and maintaining the integrity of the blockchain. It's important to note, though, that the rewards decrease over time as more and more blocks are added to the blockchain. This is a built-in feature of many cryptocurrencies to control their supply and maintain their value. In essence, when you mine cryptocurrency, you're using your computer's power to help maintain the integrity of the blockchain, and you're rewarded with crypto for your efforts. And now, how do you prepare your gaming computer for mining? First things first, you need to ensure you have a powerful graphics processing unit, or GPU. The GPU is the workhorse of your mining operation. It's what performs the complex calculations necessary to mine cryptocurrency. A top-tier gaming computer will usually have a beefy GPU, which is perfect for this purpose. However, keep in mind that mining can be demanding on your GPU, so ensure it's up to the task. An RTX 3000 or 4000 series GPU or an AMD RX 6000 or 7000 are the perfect GPUs for this task. Next, let's talk about cooling. Mining cryptocurrency can cause your computer to generate a lot of heat. Without sufficient cooling, your system could overheat, leading to damage or decreased performance. You'll want to ensure you have a good cooling system in place. This might mean having multiple fans or even a liquid cooling system if you're serious about your mining. But if you're just starting out, make sure you have plenty of intake fans to bring air in and at least one exhaust fan to pull heat out. Keeping your PC in a cool room is ideal. Now, once your hardware is sorted, you'll need some software. Specifically, you need mining software. This is the program that will actually perform the mining operation. There are many options out there, so it's worth doing some research to find the one that best suits your needs. Some are more user-friendly, while others offer more advanced features. Whichever you choose, make sure it's reputable and safe to use. For starters, you can download Unmineable, a simple desktop app that takes care of all the configuration steps. For the more seasoned miner, I recommend using T-Rex mining software. Lastly, you'll need a digital wallet. This is where you'll store the cryptocurrency that you mine. Again, there are many options out there, so do your research. Some wallets are designed for specific cryptocurrencies, while others can hold multiple types. Some are online, while others are offline for increased security. It's important to choose a wallet that is secure and reliable. For beginners, you can sign up for an exchange that trades the coin you are mining. Once signed up, generate your wallet address and use that for your mining rewards. Coinbase, Trust Wallet, and Exodus are great online wallets to start with. Preparing your gaming computer for mining is a bit like prepping a race car for a big race. You need the right equipment, the right software, and the right conditions. But with careful planning and preparation, you can transform your gaming computer into a powerful mining machine. With the right setup, your gaming computer can be a powerful tool for mining cryptocurrency. So you've got your gaming computer all set up, but what cryptocurrency should you mine? This is a question that can make or break your crypto mining venture. The answer isn't as simple as picking the most popular coin. It's a decision that should be based on a variety of factors, each as important as the other. Firstly, consider your computer's capabilities. Different cryptocurrencies require different levels of computational power to mine. For instance, Bitcoin, the granddaddy of them all, requires a hefty amount of processing power. If your computer isn't up to the task, you might end up spending more on electricity costs than you earn from mining. Next, take into account the difficulty level of mining the cryptocurrency. The more miners there are for a particular coin, the higher the difficulty. This means it takes more time and energy to mine. It's often more profitable to mine a less popular coin with lower difficulty, especially if you're just starting out. Of course, the value of the cryptocurrency is crucial. You're in this to make money after all, but don't just look at the current value. Do some research and consider the potential future value of the coin. Some coins might not be worth much now, but have the potential to skyrocket in the future. Remember, cryptocurrencies are highly volatile. Their value can fluctuate greatly in a short time. So it's important to keep an eye on market trends and news that could affect the coin's value. Also, consider the utility of the coin. Some cryptocurrencies offer more than just a store of value. They might be used in certain ecosystems or offer unique features. These coins can sometimes offer a more stable value, making them a safer bet. Ravencoin, Dogecoin, and XNA are great coins to start with. Lastly, consider joining a mining pool. This is a group of miners who work together to increase their chances of earning cryptocurrency. While you'll have to share your earnings, it can often lead to more consistent returns. Some great pools to join are 2Miners, Com and Hero Miners. Choosing the right cryptocurrency to mine is a balancing act between these factors. It's crucial to maximizing your mining profits, so take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. Choosing the right cryptocurrency to mine is crucial to maximizing your mining profits. All right, now that we've covered the basics, how do you actually start mining? Well, let's break it down into manageable steps. First, you'll need to download a mining software. There are several to choose from, but some popular ones include NiceHash Miner and T-Rex, which allows you to mine the most profitable coin at any given time. Once you've selected your software, download it and install it on your computer. Once the software is installed, you'll need to create a batch file, a simple text file that contains a series of commands. This file will tell your computer what to do and how to mine. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Most mining software comes with a guide on how to do this. If you are using T-Rex mining software, the batch files are already created for you in the zip folder. Just some edits to include your wallet address is needed, and if you want to change your mining region or mining computer name, next you'll need to join a mining pool. A mining pool is a group of miners who combine their computational resources to mine cryptocurrencies more efficiently. When the pool successfully mines a block, the reward is split among the members of the pool. This can make mining more profitable for you, as it increases your chances of earning a reward. There are many different mining pools to choose from, so do your research. Look for a pool that supports the cryptocurrency you want to mine, has a low fee and a good reputation among miners. Once you've chosen your pool, you'll need to register and set up an account. If you want to mine Ravencoin, 2Miners is a great pool to join. They pay out every time you accumulate 10 Ravencoins. After you've set up your account with the mining pool, you'll need to configure your mining software to connect to it. This usually involves entering the address of the pool and your username and password into the batch file you created earlier. If you want to mine Ravencoin and join 2Miners, check their website for your location's pool server, copy that information and add it to your batch file in T-Rex. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, starting the mining process. This is as simple as running the batch file you created. Your computer will start to mine using its computational power to solve complex mathematical problems. You can monitor your mining progress through the software, which will display information such as your hash rate, the number of shares you've submitted, and your estimated earnings. Remember, mining can be demanding on your computer's hardware, so make sure to monitor your computer's temperature and overall health. If you notice your computer is overheating or slowing down, you might need to adjust your mining settings or consider upgrading your hardware. Finally, understand that cryptocurrency mining is a long-term commitment. It may take a while before you see significant profits, especially if you're mining on a single gaming computer. But with patience and a little bit of luck, you could find it to be a rewarding venture. With a possible bull market approaching, this could be your ticket to great returns. And there you have it. You're now a cryptocurrency miner. Before we wrap up, let's go over some key points to remember. We've covered quite a bit, so a quick recap is in order. Firstly, we discussed the untapped potential of your gaming computer. This beast of a machine that you primarily use for gaming is capable of doing so much more. It has the power to delve into the world of cryptocurrency mining, given its high-performance graphics cards and processing power. Next, we ventured into the realm of cryptocurrency mining. This is the process where transactions for various forms of cryptocurrency are verified and added to the blockchain digital ledger. It's like a giant communal game of Sudoku where your computer is a player striving to solve complex mathematical problems. When it does, voila, you get rewarded with cryptocurrency. Then we shifted focus to preparing your gaming computer for mining. It's not just about firing up the computer and letting it loose. There are aspects to consider, such as ensuring your system is cooled properly to prevent overheating and prolong its lifespan. Also, remember to secure a digital wallet to store your hard-earned crypto. Choosing the right cryptocurrency to mine was our subsequent topic. It's crucial to mine a cryptocurrency that is profitable and aligns with your hardware capabilities. Research is key here. Look into the coin's value, difficulty level of mining, and its potential growth. Finally, we walk through the steps to kickstart your mining journey. From downloading the right mining software, setting up a miner, to joining a mining pool, we covered it all. It may seem overwhelming at first, but step by step you'll get the hang of it. With the right knowledge and preparation, your gaming computer can be a valuable source of income through cryptocurrency mining. So why not give it a try?